Whip that cream, baby, pour that sweet on me, baby, shade up. We can cook up, we can stir up when we hook up, just you and me. Whip that cream, whip that. Preheat this oven up like 5,000 degrees. It's almost ready, we've been craving this all week.
I had a huge pimple on my face last night, so I decided to put on a mighty patch, and it literally sucked out all the gunk from my face and left my pimple nowhere to be found.
Dermablend, the #1 dermatologist recommended coverage brand. Brilliant Base Illuminating Primer for long-lasting radiance and up to 24-hour makeup wear. Formulated with vitamin C and E to help fight dullness and leave skin moisturized with a visibly brilliant boost. Bare skin looks improved after 4 weeks of daily use. Visibly radiant results. Dermablend.
I damaged my skin barrier completely by using way too many products, and now I've finally strengthened it back up with just this one product. The ingredients are so hydrating. I know people may think it's got snail mucin in and they might get a bit scared, but this has literally saved my skin. It's from a brand called CosRx and it's the Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. It has completely transformed my skin and I finally feel confident enough to leave the house without makeup on. If I was to recommend any product, it would definitely be this one for acne scars, strengthening up your skin barrier and also hydration.